The company sent us this shelf. It is metal. It's a very good rolled steel type of metal. It had a very nice satin finish. There are a lot of fingerprints on it because we just finished putting it together and I did not wipe it down again. But this was, it took a while to put it together. My husband put it together. I will attach the assembly video, but I really like how it looks. We are currently using it inside of a storage area, but it could easily be used in a garage, a pantry, a laundry room. There's a lot of nice options for it. It does look real nice. Like I said, even though it's metal, it kind of has a look like it could have been wood. It's nice looking. It has these gold handles and it is very roomy. As you can see, my husband's already got it loaded down in our storage area. So these shelves are movable, easy to move, and you can adjust them to whatever heights you want. It did also come with some little magnets that you could put notes on here. If you were using it for a pantry, you could have a grocery list. If you want to display your kids' art, anything like that. It does have a magnetic closure right there at the top and the bottom where it sticks to the frame there. And here's two more of those magnets. You can move them wherever you want. I was just showing a couple of options. So this is a great shelf. I think it is going to be very, very handy to keep our things hidden away and not so cluttered and out in the open. And watch the assembly video and you will see how it goes. Here my husband is assembling the cabinet, and it was a very easy, straightforward assembly. Each piece has a letter on it, and the instructions tell you exactly which letter goes where. That takes the guesswork out of it and makes it a little easier to make sure you're getting pieces in the right place. There were a few times I just had to hold things for him until he got them screwed down, but otherwise it was not hard to put together. One person could do it. It did take a little bit of time. I believe he took a little over an hour, but we were doing it outside and he ended up in the sun, so it did slow down the process a little bit. But altogether, it went together very, very easily. And it came with everything you needed, including a magnetized Phillips screwdriver that makes it easy to hold on to those screws and get them in. He has an electric screwdriver, so he did decide to use that just to speed up the process. Here he's putting in the feet. And those feet are levelers, so they can, if your floor isn't 100% level, that cabinet can be adjusted on those feet to make everything sit correctly, and you won't have any issues with that. And it is pretty straightforward. You know, you've got your side pieces, top and bottom and back. The box it comes in is pretty long. It is a 6-foot shelf. And those side panels and the back panel is all one piece, so your box is going to be 6 feet long. But it wasn't very heavy. The metal is fairly lightweight, although it is a good quality rolled steel. Here he is putting in the shelves. It does have adjustable shelves. It has the little metal brackets and the holes that they go in that are easy to adjust. You can move them up and down very easily depending on the distance you want between the shelves. Here he is putting the doors on it, which give it a really nice finished look. I love the way these doors look with the indentions and the color and the satin finish. It makes it look like wood. My husband has finished the cabinet. And this is just where the shelves are for the moment. You can adjust them. You can raise them, lower them, put whatever height you want just by moving those metal brackets that are on each side. So he will show that once he gets it out where he wants it. But we wanted to show you that it can be used in multiple locations. It has a really nice gold handle. There are some fingerprints on it because we just finished putting it together. But as you can see, it is a nice looking cabinet. I could leave it here in my kitchen area. It's right at the end of my island. If I needed an extra pantry, I could leave it there very easily. It's a nice height, very sturdy, and it does have little feet on the bottom to level it.